Yeah, but you would generally speak about like
Yeah, yeah.
whatever, like
You're always
working
pro
out.
fitness and
Yeah.
And I don't think that comes naturally to Indians. At least in our generation
Yeah,
of
yeah.
Indians, we were just like,
for us it's like one half of the year we are like properly
yeah, like
fitness,
January,
fit.
you're like, yeah, fuck it, I'm gonna go. And then
again-
by March, but also I remember like when we were younger, it was looked at like the people who go to the gyms are like kind of not very
Show-offs.
no, they're not very mentally advanced. It was considered that people who are less intelligent go to
Yeah,
build their body,
gym, yeah.
and then people who are smart kind of take IIT coaching and kill themselves. Whatever, that was the whatever it's a
Correct. It
stereotype,
was
but
how it was.
but then you were one of the people who said that no, it's not like that, and like especially women wouldn't speak about fitness; it would always be some like jacked up dude. But you were one of the person like. Was it because you had acting ambitions, or is it something that generally you like doing?
No, fully acting ambitions only, because you have to look a certain way. People will take you seriously if you present yourself a certain way. And if you have to present yourself a certain way, you have to be self-confident. And if self-confidence has to happen, you have to look at yourself in the mirror and you have to love yourself. And that's where we choose different parts. Some people love themselves by doing something, and some people want to look a certain way to love themselves. I am that crack. So I need to check if it used to be like that. It started off like that, but once my blood vitals and once my mental health improved is when I'm like, oh, this is why people work out, and it's different. So I spoke about it because it helped my mental health so much that I want people to go to the gym and love themselves a lot more and experience what I experience. And I've tried all forms of fitness, by the way, and it's very exhilarating. It's
Like, what are your favorite kinds?
right now I'm loving calisthenics. Calisthenics
Oh,
is a
man,
new.
it's so tough. Yeah.
It is. But I have never seen anybody go back. Now I'm friends with calisthenics athletes, one from Dehradun, one from Delhi, one from Hyderabad, and Hyderabad community is picking up. Amazing people.
So calisthenics, can you just explain in case?
So calisthenics is a body weight training where you just use bars, the triangular bars, and your own body weight to train. So మనకి చెస్ట్ డే ఉంటుంది, లెగ్ డే ఉంటుంది, కోర్ డే ఉంటుంది, అలా డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది కదా. ఫర్ దెమ్ ఇట్స్ పుల్ డే, పుష్ డే, లెగ్ డే, కోర్ అండ్ ఫ్రీ స్టైల్ డే. సో ఫ్రీ స్టైల్ ఇస్ వాట్ యూ డూ ఆన్ ద బార్స్. సో ఐ థింక్ మన ఇండస్ట్రీలో చేసింది ఫస్ట్ ఎవరంటే విద్యుత్ జాంవాల్ హెస్ డన్ was the first flag bearer of calisthenics, and then slowly Tiger Shroff happened, and then now Akshay Kumar is doing it. I think Disha Patni and Samantha are known for parkour. So they are the fitness people.
What is parkour?
Parkour is mostly functional
Parkour or
training.
parkour?
Parkour.
It's like when you jump
Kick,
from.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's stunt training to
True.
for the lack of a better frame of sentence. Stunt training, they do kicks and then they do cartwheeling and all, but that burns so many more calories than you can burn in a week. But these are there. I'm doing parkour right now, I'm doing calisthenics right now, and I'm doing pole fit, which is pole dancing basically.
Okay.
And we as women, we're not blessed with upper body strength, and the moment you are hanging onto the pole, you automatically feel like wow, strong and sexy at the same time.
Correct.